Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. IslamTalk of Farina, Siddique. Most recently in Pakistan, one of the very small area, Tobateksik in Pakistan, I heard about a heinous crime. A girl was killed in the name of honor killing by her father and the brother. And the other brother, who was not killing, he actually filmed this murder, like this cold-blooded murder and filmed. And then when the investigation happened, there were more realities that came forward, more news that came forward, that the girl was actually brutally, like raped by the father and the brother, which is so even beyond the word sad. Where are we going? In Islamic Republic of Pakistan, Islamic Jamhuriya Pakistan, what are we doing to our women? There is no Islamic protection there. Who will give her justice? Maria, who was the deceased girl, in her early 20s, was raped and then brutally assaulted and then killed, by her father and the brother. And the other brother was watching helplessly. He was not able to do anything, but he filmed it, and he took the film with his wife to the police. But where are we heading? Where is the Islam in Islamic Republic of Pakistan? Judiciary is chained, politics is corrupted, police is bought, army is bought, and now this justice is not available to anybody. This victim of assault, rape, murder will not have justice until there is Islamic establishment in Islamic Republic of Pakistan. So I'm calling out on all Pakistanis to actually make noise for this. Raise your voice about this woman and many women who actually get killed like that. Many women who are actually live under this harassment. Many women who actually live under the sphere of a stigma of this barbarism from men. These men are not representing the Islam, representing the Muslim men that are actually followers of Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. No men, remember, no man who is a practicing Muslim, right? Not just for the ones who are actually apparently practicing, right? The one who actually follows the legacy of Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, who is the true follower of Islam, will never commit such a heinous crime. And remember, if you practice, you will not be committing these crimes. If you practice the true, pak, pure deen of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, you will not even imagine committing a crime and staying quiet. So if you are the true follower of Islam, if you are the true believer, if you are the protector, if you are the person who protects and to actually believes in justice, speak for Maria. Speak for those women who actually suffer in silence and die in silence. These women require the justice, and only the justice can be prevailed, only and only the justice can be served when the Islamic Republic of Pakistan has Islam implemented in every aspect of it. Islam is the major religion in Pakistan. Pakistan is the only country that was founded on the basis of Quran and Sunnah, and we were promised as Muslims that we will be able to practice Islam freely after departing from the larger Indian subcontinent. So if this is the only country formed on the name of Islam, the Islamic Sharia should be implemented there, not by name only, not in papers only, actual justice to be established in this country. So if until or unless the people of Pakistan collectively speak for it, collectively make noise for it, collectively come to protest for it, collectively actually snatch the power from the corrupt politicians, nothing will happen. More and more women will be facing this. More and more women will be dealing with this. More and more women will be actually waiting for justice, either outside their graves or in their graves. Think about it. It could be your women, it could be my women of my house, it could be anybody. But because if the justice is not granted, there's no justice for anybody. Keep making noise for Maria. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullah.